This is an officer. This is a police officer. Get back. You're not fucking move back. Move back. Bro, this is a police officer. Move back. Come on.
All right, y'all. It's day 2. We're currently at FLYEERR in Chicago. They had a first come, first serve for the UNC. The Chicago ones, but ended up getting shut down earlier. People was tripping in the line. So now they're still having their women's event. You can see some of the stuff in the back. They got a special women's event, women's apparel. And the UNC to Chicago's are women's exclusive, as you know, but they did extended sizes. Like I said, they are doing the event for the women's. They got some women exclusive gear. You know, the UNC to Chicago pair is a women's release, but they did extended sizes for men. But yeah, it's pretty dope, man. They got some everybody's in here in Jordan. All the chicks are wearing their jazz, so it's pretty dope, man. They got some nice apparel. Real cool event, man. So hopefully we'll see what happens next from here. They got a small restock of stuff. They got some shattered backboards, the Fearless joints, bloodlines. They got a few small restocks. But really everybody's here for the UNC to Chicago's, man. So hopefully I can sneak in here and grab a pair. But we'll see, man. That's one of the only pairs I'm trying to grab today. Try to grab those, and I'll try to grab the off-white 5s that are on in the weekend, man. So we'll see. So we just left Sovereign not too long ago. Was able to secure my 11.5 in the ones that we just walked down. Well, we just rode over to St. Alfred's, hopped in the Fear Guy raffle. Now we're in round 2. Just looking around. Round 2 is pretty dope. My first time ever coming to this one. Well, my first time in Chicago, but my first time ever coming to a round 2 period. So this one is pretty dope. Got some heat in here, but nothing I'm really looking for in my size. They definitely got the heat. Like I said, we put in for the raffle already. Hopefully we hit on the Fear Guys or something. We're finna keep marching around, finna hit House of Hoops. I think Adidas is over here in a couple of the spots. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated, man. See y'all in a minute.